Ladies and gentlemen and children of the planet Earth, you know that this is the face of the baby Brahma that I have always proposed is a representation of Satan here on Earth, aka part and parcel of the Bilderberger prophecies by Michael Fazio and or hoodwinked by an angel. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the face of the baby Brahma, and behind the face of the baby Brahma I am going to show you the face of Moloch and or Satan, or both, on the reverse of the $1 bill. And today is September 25th, and it's my birthday, but it's been raining out so hard I can't see across the canal. So I'm not going anywhere, and this is today's video. Now, moving past that, I am going to show you that these are a set of horns that appear at the top of this Satan-like entity's face. This is the set of eyes above my fingers. I'll take my hand away, I'll put my fingers on the eyes, you can stop the video. There is one set of eyes. Here is another set of eyes. And here is another set of horns. And here is a third set of eyes and a third set of horns. Now you can stop the video and see for yourself that this is in fact the case. But what you didn't know is that there is more to this entity than meets the eye, in that this entity also has a body. And this would be the shoulders, where the hands come down from the shoulders. This would be one hand, and this would be the other. Therefore, two hands. This would be the main body of the figure or caricature of Satan or Moloch. This would be the feet. Now, to prove to you that I am not making this stuff up, I'm going to expand it to show you that, in fact, when you blow this up, here is one hand with four individual lines at the part where the fingers would be on this side, and four individual lines at the part where the fingers would be on this side, here and here, that form 5 digits. Each hand that I say is a hand forms 5 digits on either side. And the same is so with what I propose are the feet at the base of this caricature of Moloch or Satan. So, ladies and gentlemen, what I have always said is a godlike entity or a race of remnant beings or a remnant society has formed the pictographs on the reverse and obverse of the $1 bill. And in this case, they have put a picture of what we propose or perceive as a negative connotation or Satan-like entity with the horns coming down from a fleur-di-lis in reverse, or a flower. This would be the pistil or the progeny of the pistil, and or the birth of Satan via this fleur-de-lis acting as a vulva that is giving birth to Satan. Now, to prove to you that this is so, it happens when you bring the evil seed of death together with the God pod. When you bring the God pod and the evil seed of death together, it births Moloch or Satan. Now, to go one step further, we're going to invert this and rotate it, and now I am going to show you something that is completely amazing, in that the face that was negative in nature and or Satan-like, now that we have inverted it, only changes to a different form and or face, where the horns face downwards. Now, 1 set of horns, 2 sets of horns, 3 sets of horns. And now I'm going to expand it to where these are readily seeable, and you should stop the video on occasion to see that this is beyond any doubt a caricature of an evil, Satan-like, Moloch-type face that exists in reality on the reverse of the $1 bill when you fold it to a certain degree. But here is the kicker, ladies and gentlemen. What appears to be a Moloch-type shape where it's triangular in nature, and these 5 beads head off in either direction as the horns. When you look at the fleur-di-lis that we had on here before of the Satan or Moloch type entity, which has now disappeared. However, when you look at the Moloch type entity that was on the entity before, this could be the eyes of Moloch, this could be the nose or mouth, and this could be the horns of Moloch, or something similar in nature to the understanding of what we perceive to be Moloch. Now, I don't think that that's a coincidence, and I could tell you that it's not a coincidence, but I am pretty sure that some of you are going to say this is bullshit. So, with that, now that I have this thing completely screwed up, I'm going to have to start it again. Ladies and gentlemen, this, because of Moloch, was once again a blooper.